What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm installing a wig from Unice Hair. All the information will be down below. So this is a 24-inch 13 by 4 frontal in the straight texture. As you can see here, it is pre-cut and pre-bleached for you. And this is just a close-up of what the lace looks like. So this is their Pre Everything wig. And it comes with these tabs here so that you can actually use tape to hold down the sides as opposed to like glue and regular adhesive. So I'm just here showing you, these are the extra tabs that you get. Inside of the box is this robe, a little care package here with a whole bunch of goodies, so let's get into it. So for this install, I already have my hair braided and my wig cap installed and my wig cap colored, but I'm just going to take some more of my cream makeup and I'm just going to color the inside of the lace a little bit. Like I said, it's already pre-bleached and it's already pre-cut, but along like near the front and the edge, I like to color it a little bit more just to make sure it blends even more seamlessly with my natural hairline. So now I'm just sliding the wig onto my head to make sure it fits how I need it to. I also am sliding it on first so I can see where the adhesive pieces of the tape is going to line up with my natural hairline. So as you can see, there's a part that I created between like my sideburns and my actual hair, and this is where I'm going to lay that adhesive when I remove the paper. But I just want to make sure, you know, it's like fitting right and it's going to lay where I want it to. So next I'm just going to pull my hair back so it's out of my way and I can see what I'm doing. And then I'm just taking a Q-tip with some water on it and cleaning up my hairline. You want to make sure that there's nothing on your hairline so the adhesive can stick. Then I'm just peeling back the adhesive, making sure it's laying flat against the lace first. And then I'm just going to pull it to where I want on my hairline and press it down with quite a bit of pressure just to make sure it stays. Already I can tell that it's blending in pretty naturally with my hairline, so I'm kind of happy with the results. So now I'm going to start on the other side and just do the exact same thing. So a benefit of using this tape as opposed to any other adhesive is it allows you to still wear a 13 by 4 frontal, but still kind of have that like glueless type of feel. And this is definitely low maintenance as opposed to glue, and it's definitely beginner friendly. So this is what it looks like after it's sitting on my sides. I'm gonna have to cut just a little bit on this side, just so it fits my natural hairline. So I'm just taking some small scissors and cutting just a little bit of that lace. I didn't want to cut too much, but just enough so that I made sure it laid completely flat. So already this is looking really good. I didn't even take my makeup and blend anything yet. This is just what it looks like fresh out the box, and honestly this took like 5 minutes, not even. It was very fast and convenient and simple, and it's actually very sturdy. I don't feel like the tape is going to slide off. The tape actually wound up lasting for a couple of days until I took the wig off, but you do have extra pieces of adhesive, and they're meant to last up to a week if you want to wear it up to a week at a time. But yeah, I really liked it, and it didn't hurt. It was painless. It wasn't tugging at my hairline, and it still felt glueless because the front is still loose. It's just the sides that were tied down. Now I'm just going to go ahead and style my edges like normal. Now I'm just taking my Got To Be Free spray and my wax stick, and I'm just going along the parting space in the hair, just to make the top of the wig lay flatter. And I'm also using my hot comb on the highest heat. This is optional, but it's just a styling thing that I like to do to make the hair lay flat. And so this is pretty much the finished look. It came out really, really good, and it looks very natural. I was really happy with the results here. When I pull my hair back, you could just see, like, it looks like I have a regular frontal on. Like, you could not tell that I'm using the tape. But now I'm just using my cream makeup, and I'm going along my hairline to blend it even more. Just so it, to hide that harsh line of demarcation. And this is just a close-up of what the actual hairline looks like, and it looks really good. Like, you cannot tell that I'm using tape or some type of weird adhesive on the sides at all. And it stayed this flat the entire time. Like, I didn't have any issues with it lifting up or anything like that. So this is definitely a cool alternative to lay down your wigs, and it's definitely delicate on your hairline, and it also really helps for people like me that has like a lower hairline, especially on the sides. It just, at first I was a little skeptical because I have longer sideburns, but the fact that I was able to like find a way to position the adhesive between my hairline really helped. You can also pull the hair back seamlessly. It looks like I have in just a regular frontal, and it looks very, very good. Like, I pulled my hair back in a half up, half down like this, and it looks so good. Like, I was really, really in love with this, and the fact that it was that easy to install made it that much better. I don't know, this changed the game for me with frontals, like, completely. Also, I just wanted to demonstrate that, yeah, this is still completely glueless in the front here. Like, really, the side tabs, like the sticky tape is just to hold the tape down on the sides, but it's still a glueless unit, and still really good and protective for your natural hairline. And I also love how long this hair is. The length of it is amazing. For 24 inches, it came down really, really far, and I'm 5'3". And then this is just a view of the back of the hair. The hair itself is very silky, very shiny, very, very pretty. And I love the versatility of the parting space. I can part it from any side to side, do whatever. You can style it however. You don't have to worry about that tape lifting. And if for some reason like it gets wet or it does lift up, you get extra so that you can lay it back down. But yeah, the knots on this frontal are really good. So as you can see here, like when I'm parting the hair, I can part it any kind of way. They really did a great job with the bleaching and with the knots. The knots are invisible. Yeah, like you definitely can't see the knots at all. And the hairline itself is very, very natural. Like I said, you can pull it back into a high ponytail, into a half up, half down, and it looks really good, and it blends seamlessly, and it's still glueless. And the hair itself is very nice. I definitely highly recommend trying this wig out for yourself. All the information for this hair is in the description box below. Definitely give this a shot. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.